Hey Courtney, sorry that took so long. I've been out all day, and here it is. The Calvin cycle happens in the stroma of the chloroplast, the liquid part of the chloroplast, and it's going to start with ribulose bisphosphate, which is a 5-carbon molecule that's hanging out in the cell. And that ribulose bisphosphate is going to react with carbon dioxide. There's where the carbon dioxide comes in. And that creates phosphoglycerate, which is a 3-carbon molecule. And phosphoglycerate is going to go through reactions that will cause it to yield phosphoglyceraldehyde, also known as glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which is still a 3-carbon compound. And actually a lot happened because it took energy from ATP from the light-dependent reactions and NADPH also from the light-dependent reactions, which will give it NADP+. It's going to give it some hydrogen, and it's going to finish that so it can show that it's giving energy. Okay, so now some of that PGAL is going to stay in. And some of it is going to leave. Actually, one PGAL leaves, and 5 are going to stay in. And since these are 3-carbon compound and there's 5, that would be a total of 15 carbons, and it's going to regenerate to make RuBP, which means there would be 3 RuBPs, and that's going to take some ATP to happen. So, almost done. Got to stick some more coefficients in here. So there's 15 carbons, and if we have 15 carbons, and we're going to have another 3 carbons, that's 18. So that means we're going to need 6. And this is also 6. And almost complete. This one's catalyzed by the most common enzyme in the whole world, Rubisco. That's Rubisco. And we're almost done. So we have one PGAL, which is 3-carbon, and the whole point of the Calvin cycle is to make glucose. So if this whole thing is repeated twice, that's going to give us glucose. Yay! So there's our C6H12O6, which is, of course, a 6-carbon compound, which makes sense. And this section right here, from here to, starting to do that, from here to here, that's called carbon fixation, because the carbon fixation, the carbon dioxide is being fixed. It's being brought in and changed from here to here because hydrogen is being added by the NADPH. It's called reduction. When you add hydrogen or electrons, it's reduction. This part from here to here, or well, yeah, I would say from here to here, where we're making, we're taking the PGAL and converting it to more RuBP so it can continue, is called regeneration. And where you get 2 PGLs making glucose right here is called carbohydrate synthesis, which makes sense. Carbohydrate synthesis. So there is the Calvin cycle. Hopefully that wasn't painfully boring for you. I think it's pretty interesting. Enjoy.